Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to computer science class. In previous class, we have completed an introduction of charts and types of charts. Today, we are going to start our next topic, that is rules to create a chart. Students, if we want to create a chart in Excel spreadsheet, we must follow three basic rules. First one is, Excel does not automatically add a chart title or a subtitle to our chart on the basis of the selected information. So, the user must add all these during the chart layout. The second rule is, do not leave any rows and columns as empty, because if we do it, the chart will also leave empty space for that rows and columns. And third rule of creating a chart is, if the number of rows are more than the columns, then the Excel will display the data by column. In that time, the first column becomes the x-axis label and the remaining of the columns are the data series. The legends label becomes the first row after the title, and if the number of columns are more than the rows, the Excel will follow the same rule, but vice versa. Next, creating a chart. Student, next topic we are going to study is how to create a chart. You know that charts is a graphical presentation of data given to it. For this, we have to know about how to create a chart. Chart creation in Excel is very easy. One thing we have to remember before creating a chart is that there must be data entered into a worksheet. Without data, a chart cannot be made. Otherwise, it will display empty place. Example, if we want to create a chart of marks of students in a class in a particular subject, the student's name and marks obtained should be entered into the worksheet. Then we can create a chart. Now, let us learn about how to create a chart. There are three steps to create a chart in Excel. First one is select the data for which we want to create a chart. You know that without data, a chart cannot create. Second one is, from the Insert tab, click on the column drop-down menu in Charts group. Third step is to click on clustered column, that is the first column chart in the 2D column list. Excel allows to places the chart to fix an object on the current worksheet, that is the design, layout and format tab appear on the ribbon. We can create a chart by using shortcut key. For that, select the data to represent in the chart and then press the F11 key from the keyboard. Next one is to switch rows and columns. Students, Excel allows the users to switch or change rows and columns. That means rows and columns can interchange. Rows change to columns and columns change to rows. And data chart group will also arrange it according to that. Now let us see how to do this. Firstly, select the chart we want to modify or change. Secondly, from the Design tab, select Switch Row or Column command in the Data group. Third, then the rows and columns will be switched. Next topic is elements of a chart. Excel allows the users to add the different components of charts such as chart title, axis title, legend, etc. whenever we require. Firstly, we will study how to add a chart title. Step 1. Click on the chart which we want to add a title. Then it will highlight Design, Layout and Format tab. Step 2. Then click on Chart Title in the Labels group of the Layout tab. There will appear a list of options. Step 3. Click on Centered Overlay Title and Above Chart from the Chart Title option. A box with the chart title appears on the chart. Then we can type the desired title by double clicking the new text box that says chart title. So students, today we have discussed about rules of creating a chart and how to create a chart. You have to read the book carefully and try to do it in your own computer or laptop. Thank you.